Sorkar jala hakasing thodin jong katayau kala Shong Jingialang bat ke kenhuan king atiar ke bala khaliap lamano narilom garu ke bakan thop ya ka Aceh National Volunteer Council bat ke ANVC ringkat bat ke he jong ka Garu Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC banyatai sani halor kimat Jingdawa kat kum ke Jingasoy ya ka Soskular iasuk haka khatsau tarik unailur jong ka sem arajar khatsau bat khamtam haba ka Sorkar Meghalaya kalapan hendriu spa hendriu sau poin sau khandai klur tengka nak Sorkar pedang ban kersan pisa ya ke GHADC hapo jong ke Soskular iasuk bat ke ANVC bat ANVCB.
Ya kini ke Jingialang lalum du sembut Menteri Rangba ke Jela ba Preston Tunsong ubak mi ke tenat korbari ke Jela ba ke tenat District Council Affairs ha ka balaidon lang Chief Secretary ke Jela ba DP Walang ka Director General Kipulet ikong ai nongrang ihe naga Garu Hills Autonomous District Council kinong ilam jaka ANVC bat ANVCB bat kihe officer Sorkar. Habai keren beginong patai kubor ba Preston Tunsong uloong ba kumbasan po hadu hendro po naksispa jang kejinget ekular kade kebelalak ban pendap ndre kejing pentre kam kejinget ekular kelas akut kade namar kejing don kam ban wanra kejing penkala lengba ka amendment ke basispa arpusan jang kediti sencari ba uloong bakan Shong ha ke Sorkar India bat ha yang darbar tauan jangkari namar bagladap ban ra kejing kemat ha ke Raja Sabha bat ke Raja Sabha kala papat chaka Parliamentary Standing Committee bat dang Shan ka Parliamentary Standing Committee kala ay kejing betha cha ketenat Home Affairs bat kala sakut ha ketenat Home Affairs. Uba Preston Tunsong uloong mag Sorkar kan sabut dian kanang ba kene ka amendment de ban yo no kejing menjur na ke yang darbar tawaan jagari. Ulapan mena bag Sorkar kala syemikarai bentung yo nodal officer bandan kejing trilang ka pedang Sorkar ke ANVC bat ANVCB bat ke GHADC ban penyaj kemat ekejing pentere kam ekejing te akular bat bandan no ekejing ya kendo kawaman la kepor bat kidhot jong ANVC bat ANVCB uba Preston Tunsong ul pentebru baka bisa ban pentere kam ya ke Garo Accord kanwan kandiat ak Sorkar pedang bat kandiat ak Sorkar Jela bat ulo angru bak Sorkar kelad ban siu pen khoj ya ke surrender package ne kejing rap bisa kisan spangot kidhot ke bala pendam wat jong ke ANVC bat ANVCB ha ka man la udhot ulayo komba iway point san not lak tengka pada ke stipend ke baman na ubnai ke balai hajar san spa tengka na ke bentah ndru benai uba Preston Tunsong ulo angru bakam dan setia kanu kejing temu bat pen KM biang ini kenhun keng atyar hari lom Garu.
And the meeting today is relating to the tax settlement signed between the ANVC, state government, as well as central government way back in 2014. So we discussed clause by clause, line by line of those issues flagged off in the text agreement, and mostly I would say the agreement made was already made or already completed, but of course some of them which is on the way, which is yet to reach up to the full text of the agreement, and some of them we cannot take any decision unless the 125th amendment in the Constitution of India is passed by the Parliament, both Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So those issues we could not discuss much. But all small issues, as I said to you, be it the packages provided to the surrenderies, to the members of the ANVC and ANVCB, that has been also completed. And now, briefly, I would like to just tell you that few issues like the subject of developmental activities, like construction of road, and then improvement and preservation of forest, and even in Arts and Culture Department, we have so many projects in the form of auditorium, in the form of library, in the form of cultural centers. We have discussed all these issues, and as I said to you, at least not less than 50 to 60% of this aspiration of this very text is already met. Even the members of the NVC and NCB, still of course few areas they are still not satisfied, but in the meeting today we have decided that we will closely monitor, we will closely see that those subjects signed and mentioned in the tax settlement has to be fully complied by the state government. So today, as I said to you, the members of the NVC, now they requested the government to have one dedicated nodal officer, because see, all the way they have to come down to Shillong. Even if you have so many meetings, it seems it's difficult for them to make things easier, to make things simpler in achieving this agreement, this tax agreement. So we have decided from the government side that we will appoint one dedicated officer in the name of nodal officer, who will coordinate between the members of the ANVC and the state government, and also with the different department, be it with the district council or be it with the different department located in Garo Hills. This will be taken care of by the nodal officer, and they are so happy because this decision has been taken, and we are going to notify one nodal officer under the supervision of the commissioner, development commissioner.
Today's meeting was very fruitful and very constructive. We have discussed point to point, para to para, and the state government under the leadership of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, President Tin Song. It was very fruitful, and we are happy that this initiative has been taken by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, because we were feeling that we have been left out, because it's almost 8 years since we had that physical meeting in 2018, and today, after sitting for more than 3 hours, we have come to so many constructive decisions, which we believe that it will benefit the people of Garo Hills, Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills and the state as a whole. Because this agreement which we have signed in 2014, it does not benefit only the people of Garo Hills, it also benefits the people of Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills. Because whatever privileges we will be getting, the same will be given to Khasi and Jaintia Hills. So we want to move forward, and government is very sincere in implementing the point-to-point decisions discussed here. So we hope to see that some positive change will come in next few months, and there's nothing much to say, but we are thankful that the state government has taken this initiative, and all the stakeholders are happy about it.
We have also seen that the state government have decided to send a proposal to the central government to get a financial assistance of 600 crore plus. What is the mind of your?
Yes, the state government has written to the central government for 664 crore, out of which 308 is forest activities, and 252 crore is for the bailout package of the present crisis in district council. So this matter has not been discussed thoroughly, but we have discussed about the forest part, and we have discussed about the salary part, which the state is going to take up in the next few months. However, state has explained their intentions, and we have not been able to give any immediate reply to it because we have to discuss with our people. It will be depending on how the people react to it, how the civil societies react to it, how the district council reacts to it, how the employees reacts to it. So we are leaving it to the stakeholders. Yes.
What about the special package for ANVC and ANVC cadres?
The special package has also been discussed. The rehabilitation package has not been given to many of the cadres, even from our organization. So that matter has been taken up, and the government has assured us that they will be reviewing it again.